Guys, it is Thursday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today, I wanted to come in and share with you a few of the ways that I like to wear my luxury handbags. I have 5 different looks to share with you today, so let's go ahead and get started. Look number 1 is going to feature the infamous Neverfull GM in the damier ebene print. Okay, this bag is a monster, all right, but I feel it is an absolute summer must-have. This bag can take you from the mall right on to the beach. Okay, it is perfect. It holds everything because of its size. And also, guys, you have the added bonus with the Neverfull of being able to shrink it using your straps here on the side. You can absolutely reduce the size of this big boy right here if you want. And then also you can reduce it even further, guys, by using your Neverfull pouch. Okay, yes, this is the damier ebene print. This is the monogram print because I actually have the Neverfull GM in the monogram print. And guys, they both come with the pouch on the inside. Let me just grab my damier ebene pouch right here. So each Neverfull comes with a pouch. So I love this bag in the summer and just any time of year. Really, because you can just do so many different things with this particular bag, guys. Like I said, you can reduce the size of it by adjusting your straps here on the side. You can actually, and they're so big, I'm not even sure if I can do this, but you can kind of cinch the sides of it, okay? And it just immediately reduces the side. And of course you would do this to the other side right here. And then, like I said, you can remove the pouch that comes on the inside of your Neverfull and just, you know, carry these on their own. But I love pairing the Neverfull with just really pretty sundresses in the summer. To me, it just looks like a beach bag, you know, the more expensive version of a beach bag, guys. But I just love it. You can put, you know, your towels in here, your flip-flops, your beach hat, all of that. And like I said a few minutes ago, guys, this bag is also a great shopping bag. If you are like me and you don't want to carry a lot of packages sometimes, especially when you're doing a lot of shopping, let's say around Christmas, you can take a lot of your packages, guys, depending on their size and what they actually are, and really just stuff them right into your bag. This one right here in particular, the damier ebene, I love the damier ebene print. You don't have to baby the damier ebene print. As you can see, guys, the patina on the monogram print Neverfull here in the GM size is not real severe. It's not real severe because I really try to carry this one only in the winter months. During the winter months, I'm not really oily, and so that kind of, I think, extends the amount of time before we're at a full-blown patina here on the straps. So this one I typically carry during the winter months, but I love, like I said, carrying my damier ebene print during the summer with really, really pretty sundresses. But guys, I should say, just as the title states, these are going to all be casual ways that I wear my bags. Honestly, guys, I am really a no fuss, no muss kind of girl. I don't get all frou-frou and doiled up when I'm leaving the house. I am really a t-shirt, jeans, cut-off shorts, maxi dress type of girl. So a lot of the outfits, the looks that you're gonna see that I pair with my purses, they're gonna be really low-key and laid back. However, feel free in the comments to kind of share some of the ways you would wear and pair your bags a little bit differently. All right, so let's go on to purse number 2. All right, guys, so Purse number 2 is going to be my Gucci Web Vintage Boston Bag Large. All right. I adore this purse. I have to admit, I don't show it as much love as I should, but I am rectifying that issue this week. This is actually the purse that I am carrying this week. I love that it has the feet here on the bottom. You can't beat the iconic Gucci webbing here in the front. There is something about these 3 stripes, your green, your red, and your green, just so familiar, so gorgeous. I love this purse. It also comes with a detachable strap. All right, so I love pairing this particular purse with just simple jeans and a t-shirt. This purse right here, guys, speaks for itself. That's a basic t-shirt, maybe a t-shirt that picks up one of the colors here in the webbing, maybe a red or a green t-shirt, and just some jeans. All right, I love that this purse right here can be seen as both dressed up and dressed down as it relates to the style of the bag. So, you know, if you're wanting to wear some maybe distressed jeans and, like I said, a t-shirt, carrying this particular bag, you know, you're not gonna feel like you're, you know, looking like you're slumming it. This bag right here, like I said, speaks for itself. And when you wear this bag, carry this bag, it immediately elevates the look of any outfit. So again, a simple t-shirt. I love t-shirts. You guys know that I have talked about the Target t-shirts ad nauseum here on the channel. So a really basic Target t-shirt if you want. Pick up on one of the colors here, some jeans. I'm really loving the distressed jeans here in the summer. I would not overdo it with the distressing. That's just me with the distressing, but that is just me. But this particular purse right here, pairing it with that particular outfit, you will not feel like you are slumming it, okay? This bag just makes you feel just like you're casually chic for the day. The next purse that I want to feature is a purse, a bag that I feel like I have had forever, okay? This is my ride or die, when I don't feel like breaking out any of my other bags. This is the purse that I can count on to just get me through running really quick errands. It is the purse that I can take out in the rain because it has been beat up, drugged through it all, and it still comes out on top looking flawless. All right, so this is obviously my Louis Vuitton monogram Alma bag, and this, guys, is the PM. I don't have many PM sizes in my Louis Vuitton bags. I have said time and time again here on the channel that I love the looks of the larger bags. However, I think the Alma bag is one of those Louis Vuitton purses that even though you may size down a bit, you still get a lot of bang for your buck. This is still a nice size bag, even though it is in the PM size. So I love being able to, of course, dress down the Alma bag. It is so versatile, but every now and then I don't mind putting on, okay, and I just stated that I am really casual. So for me, putting on a jumper with cute little pockets on the side and, you know, maybe have a little bit of a floral print, that for me is dressing it up just a wee bit. All right, I love the look of a really laid back, breezy, effortless jumper in the summer. They're great for, you know, your garden parties, going to shows at night. So I really love your summer jumpers. And then depending on the neckline, you can dress it up with a little bit of really pretty jewelry. So I really prefer to carry my Louis Vuitton bags that have the vachetta leather during the fall and winter months because I'm not as oily, but because this one has already been put through the ringer, you know, I can just pull her out whenever. So really loving that. What purse is that? What are we on now? This is purse number 3. All right, so we have 2 more to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at our 4th feature. Bag number 4 is going to be my Gucci Messenger. I picked this purse up in Orlando back in May. We were there for vacation. We were vacationing at both Disney World and Universal Studios, but we had a bit of a washout. It rained a bit, and I've said it here before, what I love to do when it rains, if I can't do any online shopping, is, you know, head to the mall. So we went to the infamous Orlando Mall at Millennia and headed into the Gucci store, and I picked this baby up. So I love the casual nature of your messenger bags. Guys, this is just the perfect bag to take with you to the gym, if you will, or if you're like me and you love wearing your more athleisure type outfits during the day when you're going shopping. This would be the perfect as the emergency vehicle. There was a fire truck riding by, guys. I felt like I was in New York for a minute. But an athleisure outfit is the perfect way to wear this particular Gucci Messenger. I love it. When you're wearing your athleisure style, you are obviously trying to be leisurely, all right? You're trying to look leisurely. You're trying to look effortless in your outfit or whatever it is you're wearing. However, if you're like me, you still want to look pulled together, all right? You don't want to look like you just left the gym. You know, a lot of times when I wear my athleisure wear, I haven't worked out. I didn't put it on, work out, and leave the house in it. That is what I intended on wearing for that particular day, athleisure wear. So the bag that I love to wear with my athleisure wear many times is going to be my Gucci Messenger. It is so effortless, okay? You just take your straps, throw it across your shoulder. Let's say you had gone to the gym for the day. You can obviously put, you know, a change of shoes in here, socks, a bottle of water in here, and you can just take it right to the mall. Just a really perfect type of leisure purse that just goes from the gym to the grocery store, Target. You know, let's say you got to drop the kids off at daycare. This is just the perfect bag. To me, it almost looks like a little diaper bag even. All right, so just a really perfect bag to pair with your more athleisure type outfit. All right, guys, and finally, the last bag that I want to feature in an outfit here is going to be my Gucci GG Supreme Large Tote. Okay, guys, I have really enjoyed carrying this bag ever since I purchased her, and this was a purchase that we made in Orlando as well. I had to force myself to put her back on the rack here because I just love this bag so very much. This is a bag that I have obviously enjoyed wearing this summer, but this is a bag that is going to go right into fall and even on into winter. Couldn't you guys see scarves and gloves stuffed in here? Do I want to think about scarves and gloves? Absolutely not. But I just want to point out just how very versatile this particular purse is. So guys, I can envision this particular purse with white jeans, t-shirt, a really crisp, really pretty, vibrant kimono, effortlessly chic. Just a really gorgeous bag. You don't have to do a whole lot with your outfits when you carry this bag. It is a head turner. I said it before in my, what video was that? My what's in my bag. This is a head turner, a showstopper. People are going to stop you and question you. When did you purchase that bag? Is it vintage? Was it passed down? Because of the style and look of this particular bag. Well, that is it, guys. I hope that you have really enjoyed hanging out with me today as I shared 5 casual, operative word here being casual, ways that I love to wear my luxury handbags. Let me know, how would you style each of these purses differently, or Was the way that I style them okay? Are you cool with that? Do you think, yeah, I would wear that Gucci Messenger with that athleisure outfit to Target? Yep, I absolutely would. But anyway, guys, thanks again for stopping in. Really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video.